Drug company Concordia overcharged the NHS by millions for a key thyroid treatment, the Competition and Markets Authority has provisionally found. The CMA said that last year the NHS spent £34 million on its drug, liothyronine, up from about £600,000 in 2006. The amount the NHS paid per pack rose from around £4.46 in 2007 to £258.19 by July 2017, an increase of almost 6,000%. Concordia said it did not believe that competition law has been infringed. The price change occurred in the years after the drug was debranded in 2007. The CMA said the price rise took place despite broadly stable production costs. Canadian drugs giant Concordia sells drugs to patients in more than 100 countries. Liothyronine tablets are primarily used to treat hypothyroidism, a condition caused by a deficiency of thyroid hormone affecting at least 2 in every 100 people, and which can lead to depression, tiredness, and weight gain. Until earlier this year, Concordia was the only supplier of the drug. CMA Chief Executive, Andrea Coselli, said, "Pharmaceutical companies which abuse their position and overcharge for drugs are forcing the NHS, and the UK taxpayer, to pay over the odds for important medical treatments. We allege that Concordia used its market dominance in the supply of liothyronine tablets to do exactly that. Prescription medicines that are still under patent can be expensive, but the government caps profits from any that are sold to the NHS to keep costs low. But this system does not cover so-called generic medicines, where a drug's patent has run out. The loophole means the price of older, established drugs coming off patent can rocket. A company, after filing and obtaining appropriate approval, can start trading the rebranded medicine and set a high price for it through a process known as debranding. It's something the Competition and Markets Authority has challenged a number of drugs companies over." Mr. Coselli stressed that, at this stage in the investigation, the findings were provisional and there had been no definitive decision that there had been a breach of competition law. Concordia said the pricing of liothyronine had been conducted openly and transparently with the Department of Health in the UK over a period of 10 years. Over that time, significant investment has been made in this medicine to ensure its continued availability for patients in the UK. We continue to work cooperatively with the CMA as it proceeds with its investigation. It added that the CMA's statement included matters that predated Concordia's ownership of its international segment, which it bought in 2015 from investment firm Cinven and other sellers, including HG Capital. The CMA has also written to those two firms. Before she started taking liothyronine, Tara Riddle said her life was utter exhaustion. She told BBC 5 Live, "I had to lean on something, rather than stand. I couldn't go out, I couldn't shop. It was awful, absolutely awful." Having researched her condition online, she convinced her GP to prescribe her liothyronine, which she took for 4 weeks. "My life came back completely," she said.